Okay, welcome back to our Math 5 class. So our next topic for our week 1, quarter 1 will be divisibility rules for 3, 6, and 9 to find the common factors of numbers. So let's start with observe the following divisibility rules in the example below. So number 1, is 27 is divisible by 3? Si 27 daw ba ay pwede nating hatiin sa 3? So the answer is yes. Why? Because the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. So pag pinag-add daw natin si 2 and si 7, yung sagot niya ay magiging o pwede siyang i-divide by 3 or divisible by 3. So when we add 2 plus 7, we're going to get the answer 9. So 9 is divisible by 3. Bakit siya naging divisible by 3? When we skip count, or 9 is a multiple of 3. Kasi pag nag-skip count tayo ng 3, 6, 9. So this is multiple of 3, si 9. So 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 is divisible by 3. So 27 is divisible by 3. Okay, next. Is 144 is divisible by 6? Si 144 daw ba ay divisible by 6? Yes. Why? Because 144 is divisible by 2 and 3. So, it is also divisible by 6. So, yung divisibility rule daw ni 6, kapag ang number ay pwede nating i-divide sa 2 at pwede rin nating i-divide sa 3, or it is divisible by 2 and it is divisible by 3, it is also divisible by 6. So, let us prove. What is the rule? What is divisibility or divisible by 2 rule? Divisibility rule 2. When the number ends in 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. So, when the number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8, it is divisible by 2. So, 144 ends with 4. So, this is divisible by 2. Okay, how about, let us prove that this 144 is divisibility or divisible by 3. So, yung ating divisibility rule sa 3, so we're going to add the digits of the number. So, 1 plus 4 is equals to 9. So, 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 4, it is equals to 9. So, 9 is divisible by 3, just like our first example. So, since 144 is divisible by 2, and it is also divisible by 3, so automatically, this is divisible by 6. Okay, next. Next rule. 87,651 is divisible by 9. Yes or no? Yes. Why? Because of its digit is divisible by 9. So, what we're going to do is we're going to add the digits. Okay? Digits tayo. 8 plus 7, 15, plus 6 is 21, plus 5, 26, plus 1 is equals to 27. So, 27 is divisible by 9. Bakit siya naging divisible by 9? 27 is multiple of 9. Bakit? When we skip count, diba 9, 18, and 27. So, this is divisible by 9. Nadi-divide sa 27 by 9. So, 87,651 is divisible by 9. Okay. So, let's have a problem. So, let me read the problem first. Hannah's garden has 126 sunflower plants. She wants to arrange them by group of 3, 6, and 9. So, si Hannah daw ay meron siyang ilang sunflower plants? 126 sunflower plants. At gusto daw niya itong i-arrange, Hanay, ng nakagrupo ng tig-tatlo, tiga-anim, at tig-sisiyam. Pwede kaya yon? So, let us see if Hannah can arrange her sunflower plants into 3, 6, and 9 groups. So, can she arrange the sunflower by 3? The answer is yes. So, how? 126 is divisible by 3 because the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. So, let's see. So, if we add 1 plus 2 plus 9, we're going to get the answer 9. Just like our first rule, if the answer or the sum is divisible by 3, so it is divisible by 3. So, we can apply the divisibility rule 3. So, 9 divided by 3 is 3. So, 9 is also the multiple of 3. Remember, 3, 6, 9. Next, can she arrange the sunflower by 6? The answer is yes. She can arrange it by 6. How? 126 is divisible by 6 because it is also divisible by 2 and 3. Remember, the divisibility rule, kapag ang number ay pwedeng ma-divide sa 2 at pwede rin siyang ma-divide sa 3. So, we're going to apply the divisibility rule of 2 and divisibility rule of 3. Pag na-apply natin yan pareho, it is divisible by 6. Okay, next question. Can she arrange the sunflower by 9? The answer is yes. How? So, 126 is divisible by 9 because the sum of its digit is divisible by 9. So, pag daw inad natin si 1, si 2, at si 6, the answer or the sum will be 9. So, 9 is also divisible by 9. Okay, so look at the divisibility chart for 3, 6, and 9 below. So, si 126, when we divide it by 3, we will get the quotient of 42. So, 126 divided by 3 is 42. Next, can we divide 126 by 6? Yes. Why? 126 divided by 6 is equals to 21. The quotient is 21. Divisible by 9? Yes. 126 divided by 9 is equals to 14. So, the quotient is 14. So, 126 is divisible by 3, divisible by 6, and it is also divisible by 9. Okay. So, remember, a number is divisible by 3. Nadidivide natin siya sa 3 if the sum of all digits of the number is divisible by 3. So, pag pinagsama-sama o pinag-add natin yung mga numbers at yung kanyang sum ay nadidivide sa 3, it is divisible by 3. Next, if a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, kapag yung number ay nai-apply natin yung divisibility rule ni 2, divisibility rule ni 3, then it is divisible or divisible by 6. Next, a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of all digits of the number is divisible by 9 or a multiple of 9. So, in divisibility rule ni 9, you have to add all the digits of the number, and if the sum is divisible by 9 or a multiple of 9, then it is divisible by 9. So, okay. Which of the numbers, let's have this activity. Which of the numbers in the boxes are divisible by the number on the left? Okay, so we have 3 examples here. So, 3. So, which among this is on the first row? Which of these numbers are divisible by 3? So, let us apply the rule. Okay, so sabi si 3, we're going to add the numbers. And then, kay 3, the rule natin kay 3, add the numbers And then if the sum is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. So let's add this one. 2, 7, and 0. So we're going to get the answer 9. So since 9 is a multiple of 3, 270 is divisible by 3. Next, 352. 3 plus 5 is 8 plus 2 is equals to 10. 10, hindi siya pwedeng i-divide sa 3 because we're going to get a remainder. Tandaan, ang divisibility rule, walang remainder, walang natitira. So, 352 is not divisible by 3. Okay, another one. 411. So, 4 plus 1 is equals to 5 plus 1. We're going to get the number or the sum, sum natin is 6. So, 6, it can be divided by 3. So, 411 is divisible by 3. Okay, next number, 702. 7 plus 0 is 7, plus 2 is equals to 9. Okay, so 9, automatic, kanina lahat ng mga examples natin, 9 is also divisible by 3, so 702 is divisible by 3. Next example is, next choice is 526. 5 plus 2 is 7, plus 6 is equals to 13. So, can we divide 13 by 3? No. Magkakaroon tayo ng remainder. So, 526 is not divisible by 3. Okay. So, next number 2. So, divisibility rule ni 6. So, can we divide 979 by 6? Let's apply the rule. So, our first rule sabi, si number daw is divisible by 6 if we can apply yung si divisibility rule ni 2 and divisibility rule ni 3. So, kapag hindi na siya pwede kay 2, automatic, hindi na rin siya pwede kay 3. So, ano yung kay 2? Ano yung rule ni 2? Kapag ang number or any number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8, it is divisible by 2. Si 979 ba ay ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8? No. So, since this is 9, hindi siya agad pasok doon sa ating condition para maging divisible siya by 2. So, automatically, 979 is not divisible by 6. Okay, next number. 528. Okay, so si 528, yes, it ends with given condition ni 2, ni divisibility rule ni 2 na siya ay nagtatapos sa 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, check siya doon. Papasok kaya siya doon sa condition ni 3? Let us see. 5 plus 2 is 7 plus 8 is equals to, we're going to get 15. The sum is 15. The total sum of digit is 15. So, is 15 divisible by 3? Yes. It is divisible by 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So, multiple din siya ni 3. So, 528 is divisible by 6. Why? Because it is divisible by 2 and it is also divisible by 3. Okay, next number. 612. Is 612, pasok ba siya sa condition ni 2? Yes. Why? It ends with 2. Okay, how about if we add this, papasok din ba siya sa condition ni 3? Ni divisible ba siya by 3? Let us see. 6 plus 1 is 7. Plus 2, we get the sum of 9. So, is 9 divisible by 3? Yes. So, 612 is divisible by 6 kasi both condition ang kanyang nakuha. Okay, how about 782? So, it ends with 2. So, pasok siya kay 2. So, it is divisible by 2. How about, is it divisible by 3? Kasi kanina, the both example here, 528 and 612, they both reach the condition na hinihingi ni 2 and 3. How about this one? Nakuha niya si 2. Can we get? Is it divisible by 3 ba? Let us see. 7 plus 8 is 15 plus 2. We get the answer 17. Now, the question. Is 17 is divisible by 3? No. So, since this is not divisible by 3, hindi niya na-meet yung both condition na hinihingi ni 2 and 3 to be divisible by 6. So, this number is not divisible by 6. So, 782 is not divisible by 6. Okay, next number. 832. So, 2 na naman ang dulo niya. So, yes, this can be divided into 2 or this is divisible by 2. But can we divide this into 3 or is this divisible by 3? Let us see. 8 plus 3 is 11 plus 2 is 13. So, is 13 divisible by 3? No. So, 832 is not divisible by 6. Okay, so let us see if the following numbers are divisible by 9. So, what is our rule in divisibility of 9? So, we're going to add the numbers. Add lang natin yung digits. When we add the digits, and if the sum is divisible by 9 or a multiple of 9, then it is divisible by 9. So, let us see the first given. 621. So, 6 plus 2 is 8 plus 1 is equals to 9. So, 9 is divisible by 9. So, 621 is divisible by 9. Next given. 973. 9 plus 7 is 16. Plus 3, we're going to get the answer. 16 plus 3 is equals to 19. Correct? This is 9. 19. So, 973. So, is 19 divisible by 9? If we skip count 9, 9, 18. Oh, sobra na siya. So, this is not divisible by 9. Okay, how about 852? So, 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 plus 2 is equals to 15. Is 15 divisible by 9? No. So, 852 is not divisible by 9. Another given. 693. So, let's add. 6 plus 9 is 15. Plus 3, we get the answer 18. Is 18 divisible by 9? Yes. Because 18 is multiple of 9. 9, 18. So, 693 is divisible by 9. Next, 744. Is 744 divisible by 9? Let us add the digit. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 7, we get the answer 18. So, just like the other number, 18 din yung sum of digits natin. So, this is divisible by